বন্দে মাতরমের ১৫০ বছর পূর্তি উপলক্ষে অনুষ্ঠান। কলকাতার জাতীয় সাহিত্য প্রকাশন ট্রাস্ট প্রধান আন্তর্জাতিক সাহিত্য ও সাংস্কৃতিক উৎসবের আয়োজন করে। কলকাতা, ৪ মে ২০২৫ ডিকেএস টাইমস, রামকৃষ্ণ মিশন, গোলপার্ক, কলকাতা। বন্দে মাতরমের ১৫০তম বার্ষিকী উপলক্ষে একটি মেগা উৎসবের আয়োজন করা হয়েছিল। ভারতের সাংস্কৃতিক ও সাহিত্যিক ঐতিহ্যের একটি উল্লেখযোগ্য উদযাপনে জাতীয় সাহিত্য প্রকাশন ট্রাস্ট, কলকাতা, দেশাত্মবোধক গান বন্দে মাতরমের ১৫০তম বার্ষিকী উদযাপনে একটি মেগা আন্তর্জাতিক সাহিত্য ও সাংস্কৃতিক উৎসবের আয়োজন করে। এই বছরব্যাপী মেগা অনুষ্ঠানের তৃতীয় পর্বটি রামকৃষ্ণ মিশন ইনস্টিটিউট অফ কালচার, গোলপার্ক এর বিবেকানন্দ হলে অনুষ্ঠিত হয়। সম্মানিত অতিথিদের মধ্যে ছিলেন বিশিষ্ট কন্নড় কবি, পরিবেশবিদ, চলচ্চিত্র নির্মাতা এবং সমাজচিন্তক নাথিহল্লি রমেশ। ১৯৬৭ সালে কর্ণাটকের মান্ডা জেলায় জন্মগ্রহণকারী নাথিহল্লি রমেশ একজন সত্যিকারের নবজাগরণের ব্যক্তিত্ব। ব্যাঙ্গালোর বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় থেকে বিএসসি এবং আইন ডিগ্রি এবং মহীশূর বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় থেকে সাংবাদিকতা ডিপ্লোমা অর্জনের মাধ্যমে তার শিক্ষাগত যোগ্যতা তার সৃজনশীল সাধনার সাথে মিলে যায়।
সবাইকে নমস্কার। আমার নাম কেম্পা হন্নাইয়া। আমি 2017 ব্যাচের আইএএস অফিসার, বেঙ্গল ক্যাডার। প্রেজেন্টলি আই এম ওয়ার্কিং ইন মিডনাপুর। আমি আপাতত অ্যাডিশনাল ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ম্যাজিস্ট্রেট ফর ডেভেলপমেন্ট। আমার বাড়ি অ্যান্ড আমাদের রমেশ স্যারের বাড়ি একই জায়গা। রমেশ স্যারকে আমার কোটি কোটি প্রণাম। আপনারা সবাই এখানে উপস্থিত আছেন। আমাদের বাংলার লিটারেচার, কালচার, অন্যান্য ক্ষেত্রে এখানে অনেকজন গুণী মানুষরা কাজ করছেন। সবাইকে আমার পক্ষ থেকে শুভেচ্ছা জানাই। আপনারা সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। জয় বাংলা, জয় হিন্দ।
Persons, and now the coming program it is a 1 year mega international literary and cultural festival is going to be held. 158 years of Bande Mataram, what is already been held at the very important places of Ramakrishna Mission Institute of Culture, Golpark, on 4th May, already been held. And the biggest program was there. Rameshji was the eminent person to have been felicitated there, and he gave a lecture, and etc. etc. And he has been very contacted with the very eminent persons. And now the coming program it is a 1 year mega international literary and cultural festival is going to be held.
কবি, সমাজসেবী, তার কয়েকটি বুক, বই এখানে প্রকাশ করছেন আমাদের মহারাজ স্বামী শিবানন্দ এবং অন্যান্য অতিথিবৃন্দ।
So friends, today we have with us a well-known poet, thinker, short film maker, social and political environmentalist activist from Karnataka, Nagatili Ramesh. And he was recently being awarded with the Vishwa Bharati Gitanjali Rashtriya Prastati Puraskar, which was the name in Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Sir, tomorrow is Ravindra Jayanti. It's a very auspicious day.
Yeah.
If you could share your thoughts with our viewers.
Gitanjali song offerings by my Acharya Gurudeva, Rabindranath Tagore ji. Tagore ji, particularly this Gitanjali, my inspiration, my strength, and my divine also. And I would say Rabindranath Tagore ji Vishwatma, Jiva Jyoti hai, Divya Jyoti hai. Some ideologically, some minute difference between Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, Tagore ji, Vallabhbhai ji, but their goal is one. Their path is different. Their goal is one. And according to me, first to Rabindranath Ji, he has got hope and dreams. Subhash Chandra was to be the first Prime Minister of India. And I don't know, now I am knowing that too, after receiving of this Vishwa Bharatiya Gitanjali Prashasti Puraskar and that Sanman felicitation taken by Bankim Chattopadhyay's I am studying something of the history of Congress. Some fishing is happening. Some doubts are there. Why genius, crystal peoples, and who struggled, who sacrificed to our freedom, how they disappeared from this soil? Some question is there with me. Some rising of some questioning. I'm not belongs to any party. I'm not left state. I'm not rightist. I'm lefist. So, in this aspect, we have to carry Subhash Chandra Bose, Rabindranath Tagore ji, Arvind Ghosh, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Vivekananda, Mata Sharada Devi, to each and every corner of the people. We have to care, particularly youngsters and children, because nowadays I am observing of that. We don't know the value of freedom. Here in Calcutta, some rich sources are. They have lived, they have given beautiful steps here. Paramahamsa, Mate Sharada Devi, Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chatterjee, Subhash Chandra Bose, like that, so many, both experience, philosophical, spiritual, and freedom, like that. We have to carry this, their messages, their thoughts, their dreams, their decide to our, especially younger generation, and particularly we hopes, because tomorrow's hopes is our children. We have to carry it day by day, day by day, day by day. Janaganamana is not a song, it's our life. Vande Mataram is not a song. A Gita Anantate, 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 Anantate. It's in infinity. Like that Gitanjali also for us, Anantate. They inspired a lot of Kannada poets. Tolstoy inspired so many people. Rabindranath Tagore ji inspired so, even me, I'm inspired a lot. This Gitanjali is divine for me. It's divine, deep in divine. It's me. So, what I say to coming engaged, we have to, particularly, I don't know, traditional things. Our politicians never know what is the meaning of politics. They never know. Politics is a service. Health is a service. Education is a service. The politician made health into business, education into business, and politics also business. Some 3 months ago, I asked one person, what's your profession, what are you doing? I do political business. See the tragedical things. First, I request my politicians to clean yourself. Swachhata, Pramanikata, Naitakata, Manavata, humanity, love, care, compassion, equality. This should be, we have to, these seeds, we have to. So my humble request means, I'm not teasing, I'm not cursing anyone, I'm suffering. I'm still struggling because my untouchable and depressed, suppressed, particularly they don't have facilities. So many common people still suffering, still, especially I came from rural background. My Mahakavi is Kuvempu, Jagadakavi, Yugadaakavi, Dendre, Divyakavi, Shivaram Karant, our Nada Shuddha, Nudi Shuddha, Mana Shuddha, like that, each and every part, some crystal character I'm searching of it. Through that, Kuempu, Uluva Yogi Nodale, he written a song about farmers. Because what I say, Rabindranath Tagore ji, Subhash Chandra Bose, everybody give major preference to their farmers, Krishik. But today's thing is, see, I'll tell you one thing, honestly, to whoever it may be, whether Prime Minister ji, Pradhan Mantri ji, or Sadhu, Sannyasi, Jagat Guru, Vijnani, Tattvajnani, whatever it may be, IAS, IPS, whatever it may be, scientist, for all, one Mahaguru is there, one Bhagwan is there, for our hunger, for our meals and class, he is do working, struggling, ಬೆವರ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನವನು, ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ನನಗೆ वो गांव के लिए काम करता ना, वो सब लोग खाने के लिए कपड़ा के लिए, किसान सबका भगवान है, सबकी भगवान है. उसका जिंदगी खलास हो गया, मटाश हो गया, आत्महत्या करता था. He is collapsed. My farmers, they never give, at least in this system, whatever the party, whatever the government, state government, central government, they never give justice to farmers. In the aspect, I request, my demand, my prayer, I request all state governments and central union ministers, at least fix minimum rate for their crop, especially vegetables, particularly one time, what I will say, so I'm sorry to say, I'm great gambler. I do agriculture also. He said, means it's nothing but, Mahabharata Chidarangarata, that chess player, like that game, gambling. We made agriculture into gambling. One day rise, one day it collapse. What about our farmer situation? The farmer only know the pain of farmer. Some people, politicians came from farmer background, but they forget their roots, forget their path. They self, how to grab the money. They're greedy peoples. My politicians not needy peoples. They are very greedy peoples. Gandhiji told once, this earth fulfill everybody's needs, not greedy things. In this aspect, I request everybody to realize ourselves, confession ourselves, to read Gitanjali or Bankimathacharya, so good literature, my Kuempu's, Subendre's, like that, so many divine sources are there. And we are proud to say we are a peaceful country, we have great history, we are human beings. So we have to carry the valuables of ethics, principles, and good things to the society, carrying for that literature is more important. Culture is very important. We have to, through that, we have to clean this society. First, clean up society and make strength. We make whole world, whole India, we are one nation, one family, one world. Like that philosophical. Once again, I pranam karta hu, I respectfully, this my divine source. On the name of it, I got Vishwabharatiya Rashtriya Prashasti Puraskar of Gitanjali. मेरा जन्म धन्य. I'm very, very thankful and grateful. We have to carry. That's why my simple on poetry also there. कूड़ोना कट्टोना बालोना बेळगोना संग मिलेंगे संग रचेंगे संग जिएंगे संग खिलेंगे. Let's come together, let's create together, let's live together, let's shine together, let's shine together. We're all one. Be good, do good, and through this I learned it, die good also. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
স্বামীজি মঞ্চাসীন বিশিষ্ট অতিথিবৃন্দ আর উপস্থিত সুধীমণ্ডল, আমার বাংলা একটু, আমি উড়িষ্যা থেকে, যদি বা বহু বছর এখানে আছি, আমি বাংলায় বলছি। আমি আজকে জানতাম আমার রমেশজি নাগাতিয়ালি রমেশজি আজকে সম্বর্ধনা পাচ্ছেন, সেই জন্য আমি উপস্থিত হয়েছি। কিন্তু এইখানে এইরকম একটা ভব্য অনুষ্ঠানে এইরকম একটা মানে অনুষ্ঠানে সামিল হতে পারে আমি নিজেকে অনেক গৌরবান্বিত করছি। যা হোক আজকে এই অনুষ্ঠানে আমি যা শুনলাম আমি নিজেকে ধন্য হলাম, আমি কৃতজ্ঞ থাকলাম। ମୁଁ ସୋଭିଏତ ଦେଶରେ ଚାକିରି କରୁଥିଲି 1990 ମସିହାରେ ଆମ ଅଫିସ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯାଇଛି। ୟୁଏସଏସଆର ଇନଫର୍ମେସନରେ ମୁଁ ଥିଲି, ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟର ଥିଲି, ମୋତେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଅନୁବାଦରେ କୁହାଯାଉଛି। 16 ଜଣ ଆମେ ଥିଲୁ, ଆମ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସମସ୍ତେ କଲିକତା ଛାଡ଼ି ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଚାଲିଗଲେ। ମୁଁ ଏକା ରହିଗଲି ବଙ୍ଗଳାରେ। ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋର 15 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ ଏତେ ବନ୍ଧୁବାନ୍ଧବ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲେ, ଏତେ ସାଙ୍ଗସାଥି ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲେ କଲିକତାରେ, ମୁଁ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଯାଇପାରିନଥିଲି। ମୁଁ କଲିକତା ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିରେ ପଢୁଥିଲି, ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ରାଜନୀତି କରୁଥିଲି, ଖେଳୁଥିଲି, ସବୁକିଛି କରୁଥିଲି। ତାପରେ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ରହିଯାଇଛି ଏଇଠି। ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କୁ ସାନ୍ନିଧ୍ୟ ପାଇଛି କଲିକତାରେ। ଆଜି ଏଠି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଅନେକ ଅନେକ ଗୋଟେ ଶୂନ୍ୟତା ଫିଲ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଭ୍ୟାକୁମ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ବି କରୁଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଦୁଇଟି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ଜାତୀୟ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ବନ୍ଦେ ମାତରମ୍ ସେଟା ସାରା ବିଶ୍ୱରେ, ସାରା ଭାରତରେ ପ୍ରଚାରିତ ହଉଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ତା ମୂଳରେ ଏଇ ମାଟିରେ ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇଥିବା ସେଇ ବରେଣ୍ୟ ପୁତ୍ର, ସେଇ ବରପୁତ୍ର ମାନେ ତାକୁ ତିଆରି କରିଥିଲେ। କେତେ ମହାପୁରୁଷ ନଥିଲେ, ସେ ତ ଆମକୁ ପଥ ଦେଖି ଦେଇ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି, ଆମକୁ ମାର୍ଗ ଦେଖି ଦେଇ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି। ତାଙ୍କର ସେ ଲିଗେସି ଅଛି, ଆମେ ଆଜି ତାକୁ ଫଲୋ କରିପାରିବା, ଆମେ ଟିକେ ଯତ୍ନ ନେବା, ଆମେ ତାହାକୁ ତ ଅନୁସରଣ କରିପାରିବା, ଅନୁଧାବନ କରିପାରିବା, ପୁରାଟା କରିପାରିବାନି। ଟିକେ ଟିକେ କଲେ ଆମେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଶୁଦ୍ଧ ହେବୁ, ଆମେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ପବିତ୍ର ହେବୁ, ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଲୋକିତ କରିପାରିବୁ, ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ଚରପଥାକୁ ସୁରକ୍ଷିତ କରିପାରିବୁ। ଆମେ ସେଇଟା ଆମର କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ। ମୁଁ ଆଉ କେତେ କଥା ଜାଣିନି, ମୁଁ ତ ଏଇଠି ମୋର ପରିବେଶ, ଏଇ କଲିକତା ମାନେ ଯୋଉ 14 ବର୍ଷ କଲିକତା ଆସିଛି। ମୁଁ କେତେ ଦୂର ବଙ୍ଗାଳୀ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି, ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ମଣିଷ। ଆଉ ରମେଶ ଜୀ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିଲି, ସେ ବସୁଧୈବ କୁଟୁମ୍ବକମ୍, ସେ ମାନବ ସେବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ଆକୃଷ୍ଟ ହେଲି। ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ସେବା, ସେ ଏକାଧାରରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ସେ ଜଣେ କବି, ସେ ଜଣେ ସଙ୍ଗୀତକାର, ସେ ଜଣେ ସିନେମାକାର, ସେ ଜଣେ ସମାଜସେବୀ। ସେ କଣ ନୁହନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି, ସେ କଣ ନୁହନ୍ତି। ସେ କୃଷକ ସେବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ସଫାଇ କର୍ମୀର ସେବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ଯବାନର ସେବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ମାନେ ସେବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତ। ସେ ସାରା ଦେଶ, ସାରା ମାନେ ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ପ୍ରାୟ 70ଟା ଦେଶ ସେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। 22 ନା 23ଟି ଜାତୀୟ ପୁରସ୍କାର ପାଇଛନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କରି ଆକର୍ଷଣରେ ମୁଁ ଆକୃଷ୍ଟ। ଆସନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତେ, ସେ କହନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତେ ଏକାଠି ଆସନ୍ତୁ, ସମସ୍ତେ ଏକାଠି ବଞ୍ଚନ୍ତୁ, ସମସ୍ତେ ଏକାଠି ସାଇନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ସେଇ ଯେ ବସୁଧୈବ କୁଟୁମ୍ବକମ୍, ଗୋଟିଏ ପରିବାର, ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏକା। ଆମେ ଗୋଟିଏ ପରିବାର ଯଦି ଭାବନ୍ତେ, କଣ ନ ହୁଅନ୍ତା ପୃଥିବୀ, କଣ ନ ହୁଅନ୍ତା ଏ ବିଶ୍ୱ, କଣ ନ ହୁଅନ୍ତା ଏ ମ୍ୟାନକାଇଣ୍ଡ, କଣ ନ ହୁଅନ୍ତା ମାନବ ସେବା, ମାଧବ ସେବା। ଏଥିରେ ଅସୁବିଧା କୋଉଠି? ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। ବନ୍ଦେ ମାତରମ୍।